Udah, ini KGF Stellar. Stellar muda.
It's very interesting to see that both missionaries adopted local funerary customs.
Coba. Salah satu saudaranya Karl Struder, salah satu keluarganya Struder muda menikah dengan Brilman yang penulis buku tentang Sangir.
The family of the Struder married with the man kan laki-laki.
Adrian, siapa? Brilman.
Yeah, with the Brilman who's writing the story about Selina.
Halo.
Sini kok malu? Iya. Minta dong sini. Kalau suka mau foto minta.
Because they are the kingdom of God.
Oh, biarkanlah anak-anak itu datang padaku.
Iya,
Karena oh gitu. Akulah roti hidup. Oh, iya. Saya roti hidup. Oke.
I'm the bread from for life.
Belum kita. Yang mana nang batu mimbar? Oh, ini meja, ini mimbar. Utang. Wow, ini mantap sekali. Akhirnya kami menemukan juga makam dari Pendeta Tahuman bersama teman-teman dari Belanda. Akhirnya ditemukan juga makam dari Pendeta Tahuman. Bukan main, pendeta yang berjasa. Yang ini Bu. Yes.
Let's go. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense. volatility of life my only confidence? Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from